What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. Today I have this delicious juicy curry chicken recipe for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, so first thing first, you have to clean up your chicken. Then I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm adding some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some curry powder. I also add some scallion and thyme, some Irish, some garlic, and anything else that you want to add, that's your seasoning. So I'm just going to allow it to marinate, and then after marinating for an hour, I start cooking. So I add my oil into the pot and some curry powder and allow it to burn. I also add some ginger, and this is to help add some flavor to it as well. Then I start to pan sear the chicken a bit, so I'm just going to fry them a little bit, and then I'm just going to allow it to fry for about 5 minutes on each side. And then after that, now you're just going to turn them over and allow them to fry again for another 5 minutes on the other side. So when they're finished, I'm just going to take them out one by one, each piece. You just want to ensure that they have a little golden color on them and that they're actually fried. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the chicken, and I'm going to do the same thing to these as well. I'm just going to allow them to fry until they are golden, or within about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm just going to turn them over again and allow them to fry on the other side until they start looking golden again. So when these are finished frying, I'm just going to add everything into the pot, stir it up. I'm also going to add the carrots and all of the seasonings that I use to season the meat with, and I'm going to just allow it to cook a little bit. Then I add a good amount of water to help cover them, to help them to simmer down properly. And then this is how they're looking during the process, and this is how they look when they are finished. So I served it with some pumpkin rice, and this is some delicious curry chicken and